This is Leonardo da Vinci's world-famous painting, Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa shows us her charming smile and her epithelial tissue. Covering epithelium. Covering epithelium appears as members whose boundaries at free and luminous surfaces face either air or fluid, covering the external and internal surface of the body and serving as barrier membranes, such as the epidermis of the skin. The traditional classification of epithelium is based on two factors: the number of cell layers and the shape of the component cells. According to the number of cell layers, the epithelium is divided into simple epithelium and stratified epithelium. According to the shape of the component cells, the epithelium is divided into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and columnar epithelium. So simple epithelium includes simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, and pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Stratified epithelium includes stratified squamous epithelium, stratified columnar epithelium, and transitional epithelium. In this video, we will focus on simple epithelium. For each type, we will learn from structures, locations, and functions. First type, simple squamous epithelium. Structures. Observe from surface view and vertical view. Surface view. The cell is polygonal. The nucleus is oval. The cells are fitted to each other. Vertical view. The cell and the nucleus are flattened. The middle part is thicker. The cell periphery is very thin. And above images, we will learn based on two types of pictures: pattern diagram and light micrograph. First is pattern diagram. This is the pattern diagram of simple squamous epithelium. From the surface view, the cell is polygonal. The nucleus is oval. Cells are fitted to each other. The boundary appears zigzag in shape. From the vertical view, the cell and the nucleus are flattened. The middle part is thicker. The cell periphery is thin. The underlying is connective tissue. Okay, let's look at the light micrograph. The left is simple squamous epithelium, observed from the surface view. It is obtained from peritoneum stained by silver and appears brown in color. The cell is polygonal. The nucleus is oval. The right is simple squamous epithelium, observed from the vertical view. It is obtained from blood vessel stained by He. The arrows pointing is the epithelium. The cell and the nucleus are flattened. The middle part is thicker. The cell periphery is very thin. Locations. Typical locations. According to the different locations, simple squamous epithelium has different names. Endothelium. It is the epithelium lining the inner surface of vascular system, such as heart, blood vessels, and lymph vessels. Mesothelium. It is the epithelium lining body cavities, pericardium, pleura, and peritoneum. The left is mesothelium, the right is endothelium. In addition to endothelium and mesothelium, simple squamous epithelium is also distributed in other species. This is the alveolus of the lung. The cell of the single arrow points as type 1 cell of alveolus. It belongs to simple squamous epithelium. This is a renal corpuscle. Parietal layer of renal corpuscle, the arrow points is composed of simple squamous epithelium. Major functions: lubrication, burial. Simple squamous epithelium is conductive to blood flow and gas exchange. Simple cuboidal epithelium. Surface view, the cell is hexagonal. Vertical view, the cell is cuboidal. The nucleus is round and located in center. Locations: kidney tubules, ducts of many glands. Major functions: absorption, secretion. This is the distal convoluted tubule of the kidney. Simple cuboidal epithelium lines the tubule wall. Simple columnar epithelium. Surface view, the cell is hexagonal. Vertical view, the cell is columnar. The nucleus is oval and basally located. In the small intestine, on the apical surface of the columnar cells, we can see the striated border, which are microvilli expanding cell surface area. The blue arrow indicates the goblet cell, which can secrete mucus. Typical locations: small intestine, colon, stomach, gallbladder. Major function: absorption, secretion. This is the intestinal villus. One shows simple columnar epithelium. 2 shows the goblet cell. The arrow shows the striated border. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium is a variety of simple epithelium containing different types of cells: columnar cells, goblet cells, fusiform cells, and basal cells. All these types of cells rest on the basement membrane, but not all reach to the free surface. The nuclei of such cells lie at fairly distinct levels, so it only looks like stratified epithelium. On the apical surface of columnar cells, we can see the cilia, which can swing directionally to remove the mucus. Locations: trachea, bronchial tree, different duct. Major functions: secretion, conduit. This is the trachea. The red square shows the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. The arrow indicates the basement membrane, pink in color. Above is a simple epithelium.